In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to leave a Discord server. Maybe you've joined a server that's no longer active, no longer relevant to you, or just a bit too noisy, and you want to clean up your server list. Leaving a Discord server is simple once you know where to look, but the option can be a little hidden if you're new to the app. I'll walk you through it step by step, and by the end, you'll be able to quickly leave any server you no longer want to be part of. First, open the Discord app on your device, or go to the Discord website in your browser and log into your account. On the left-hand side, you'll see a vertical bar with all the servers you're currently in. Each server is represented by a small circular icon. Take a moment to find the server you want to leave. If you hover over these icons on desktop, you'll see the server names appear, which can help if you're not sure which is which. Once you've found the right server, click on its icon to open it. You'll now see that server's channels and content. At the very top of the channel list, you should see the server name. This is usually in the upper left corner of the screen on desktop, or at the top of the screen on mobile. On desktop, click on the server name at the top. A drop-down menu will appear with several options. Look through that menu for the option that says Leave Server. It's usually near the bottom. When you click Leave Server, Discord will show a confirmation prompt asking if you're sure you want to leave. This is just to prevent you from leaving by accident. Confirm that you want to leave, and once you do, the server will disappear from your server list. On mobile, the steps are almost the same, but the layout is slightly different. Tap the server icon on the left to open it. Then, tap the server name at the top of the screen to bring up the server options. Scroll down until you see Leave Server. Tap it, and confirm when prompted. After that, the server will be removed from your list on mobile as well. Remember, once you leave a server, you won't see its channels, messages, or notifications anymore. If you ever change your mind, you'll need a new invite link to join again. This is a great way to tidy up your Discord experience and keep only the servers that matter most to you.